Shri Bhagwati presents Top Labeling Machine. A top labeling machine with a star wheel is a specialized device used for applying labels to the top surface of various products or containers. It features a star wheel mechanism that efficiently handles the movement and positioning of the items being labeled. The machine typically consists of a sturdy frame with an adjustable conveyor system that transports the products to the labeling station. The star wheel, which is a circular disc with evenly spaced arms or pockets, is located at the labeling station. The products are loaded onto these pockets, which hold them securely in place as they move through the labeling process. The labeling mechanism itself is located above the star wheel and comprises a label dispenser and an applicator. The label dispenser holds a roll of labels and feeds them to the applicator, which precisely places them onto the top surface of the products passing underneath. The star wheel system plays a crucial role in maintaining accuracy and synchronization throughout the labeling process. As the products enter the labeling station, the star wheel rotates, aligning each item with the label dispenser and ensuring precise label placement. Once the label is applied, the star wheel advances, moving the labeled product out of the station while simultaneously bringing in a new item for labeling. The machine is typically equipped with sensors and controls to detect product presence, monitor label feed, and maintain proper synchronization between the star wheel and the labeling mechanism. These features help ensure efficient operation and minimize errors. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.